Okay, I'm in Martin Place. I'm just opposite 1 Martin Place, and there's the cenotaph. And I just wanted to show you the building is undergoing. Oh, how's that for timing? Like clockwork. So as you can see, the building, the whole facade there, it's all being renovated. And yet they've got this sort of a photo of the building transposed over it, so that it looks exactly like it did when, in 3 dimensions, when it wasn't being worked on, which I think is quite an achievement in itself. It's like one of those. I think, what was his name? Christo, the artist. One of his massive installations, but and all through the construction sites in Sydney, they've got a lot of these old photos to show, to obviously to sort of beautify them, but also to give you a sense of what it was like back in the day. And yeah, it's something that when you come from a younger city like Perth, that's where I'm from, you really notice this stuff and the history of the city. It's quite amazing. So there's the cenotaph way back in the day, and behind there is the actual statue of Queen Victoria, and there's the clock tower, 1 Martin Place, General Post Office building. Hope you've enjoyed this. Please subscribe, and I'll do another one as soon as I can. Thank you so much. Bye bye.